Okay, so we move to the next subtopic is about data visualization in Python. So it's related to the subtopics of histogram and box plot. Okay, so uh, data visualizations, okay, actually the data science, okay, relies on complex algorithm for building the predictions and spotting important signals in data. All right, and each algorithm presents different strong and weak points. Actually, in short, actually, for you to understand, you select a range of algorithms, you have them run on the data, you optimize their parameters as much as you can, and finally you decide which one will best help you to build your data product or to generate insight into your problem. Okay, it sounds a little bit automatic, and partially it is thanks to this example powerful analytical software and scripting languages such as Python. Okay, so data visualization, okay, we refers to the methods that we use to communicate with data or information by encoding them into visual forms such as chart, graph, and infographics. Okay, so uh, okay, so this is examples, okay, of types of big data. All right, visualization category. All right, so in order to design a proper visualization for your data, you must understand the different types of data of the data visualizations. Okay, so example, all right, you need to know the category of your data first. All right, what is the functions of your data, what you want to display, and this is an example of the data, the category of charts, okay, that you can use, okay, or diagram that you can use to represent again your data in a better way. Okay, so this is the various types of data visualization. Example, we have box plots, cartogram, okay, flow map, pie chart, okay, tree diagram, timeline, and Venn diagram. Okay, so example next is, okay, alright, sorry, it's about histogram. Okay, so histogram actually is a graphical representations of the distribution of numerical data set. Okay, it is also known as a frequency plot. Histogram summarize the data that you can use to inform a decision or actually to explain a distributions of continuous data. That is very important. Okay, continuous data. So histogram should be used for moderate to large amounts of data, as the size of the histogram may not accurately display the distribution if the data size is very small, is too small. Okay, so histogram actually is used only to plot the frequency of score occurrences in a continuous data set that has been divided into classes that we call it as a bins. Okay, so histogram bins, okay, what it means is the data is split into intervals, okay, so that we call it as a bin. So each bin contains the number of occurrences of scores in the data set that are contained within that bin. Okay, so this is an example of histogram. Okay, so in the example given here, each are been splitted into bins, okay, which each bin representing a 10-year period starting at 20 years. Okay, so unlike bar chart that you have learned in Microsoft Excel before, there are no gaps between the bars, but some bars might be absent actually to reflect no frequencies. Okay, so this is because a histogram, okay, represents a continuous data set, and as such there are no gaps in the data.